Well, what's going on, YouTube family? My gun tubers. It's honey badger day today. And so I decided to trade in my gold honey badger and get a blue one. Same gun, just blue. I couldn't find one in a pistol, so I had to get the SBR, go to SBR route. And so it took 2 days for the paperwork for the ATF. And let's get to it. Let's unbox this sucker. Standard Q box. Nothing much special going on about it. Got that musket or whatever that thing is on the front. Here we go. That's the blue baby. Like I said, I got the SBR version, and just I've been watching the blues on different websites, seeing what they're going for and whatnot, and you know, I decided I wanted one. So same, whatever comes in the regular honey badger cases. The only difference is it's blue. So you got your sticker, you got your owner's manual, and your you'll have your gas tools in there, and the New Jersey chamber lock. Got one 300 blackout PMag. That's what they ship with these days. And this one has the Geisley trigger. Now I've had both the triggers because I've owned three. This is my third honey badger that I've owned over the years. And my first one had the Geisley. The second one had the Q trigger, which looked better than this, but I like the function of the Geisley better. So when I got this one, when this one came up, I saw it had the Geisley. It didn't concern me too much. Let's take a look at her. There, look at there. Just a beautiful, beautiful firearm right here. Just the 300 blackout honey badger in blue. Of course, it's got the gray handguard, the stock, the cherry bomb. Just real nice, real nice. Let me move the box and I'll set the camera on the tripod and we'll look at it a little more. All right, step. There she is with the stock extended. You know, you just push this button, and it needs some oil in it, obviously. But that's the magazine in it. Let's take the chamber flag out. It's clear. Check the function. Oh yeah, that's that old Geisley trigger, man. Got a very good action to this sucker. Really like it. It's got the two-piece bolt carrier group. So just, you know, different color scheme. It's a Cerakoted blue. I don't know. I know it's a limited edition. I don't know much of a reason for doing it or how many colors they did, but the main one I see is the blue. It's kind of an aqua color blue. It's hard to say what color blue this is, but it's still got the gold safety selector, the gold charging handle, gold stock arms and pieces like that. Inside the barrel, inside the handguard, there's some gold to it. So yeah, I got to decide what all I want to put on it here. What kind of optic. And I've already got the Trash Panda suppressor, which is going to look really good on here. But yeah, that's it, guys. And I'll take it to the range, do some shooting of it, and show you how I trick it out a little bit in my next video. So hope y'all enjoyed the unboxing of the blue. Beautiful. All right, y'all have a good one. We out.